Ladies and gentlemen, Isaac Mark.
Hello. So in the smoky air, here's our next plant. This is Ptelea crenulata in the Rutaceae, and this is a kind of a weird plant. And the first thing to think about, when you're going to investigate this, is to make sure that you're not coming up and rubbing yourself and touching poison oak, because this is a shrub that always has compound leaves that have 3 leaflets, just like poison oak. Also has alternate leaves. But the leaflets, they don't have petioles on the lateral leaflets, and the leaves themselves, they don't look like poison oak. They don't have all of those little lobes and other, variable shapes. Usually they're entire, or they have a few kind of irregular small lobes, which is why it's called Ptelea crenulata, because they have a crenulate margin. And when they're going full in the spring and summer, they're pretty dark green on top and a little bit lighter underneath, but it's a deciduous plant. So this late in the season, the leaves are turning yellow and they're starting to abscess or fall off. So the way to recognize this plant, it's the only plant in California with compound leaves with 3 leaflets that, when you hold them up to the light, have punctations, which are little dots that you can see that are basically the result of pellucid glands, sunken glands in the leaf that produce heavy oils. This family, the Rutaceae, is the family that contains citrus. So this family, Rutaceae, is the citrus family. It contains lemon and oranges and grapefruits. And the diagnostic feature for the whole family are these pellucid glands in the leaf. And the way to recognize them is to hold the leaf up to the light, kind of look through the light through the leaf, and the glands are like little windows that are kind of evenly spaced. And that's why they're called punctations. They look like little periods in the leaf. And each one of those is a gland that produces a lot of different types of terpenes and other secondary metabolites that are really, they can be toxic to herbivores, but can also give things like...
I'd be okay with it if they brought the oysters back. But for some reason it's okay to trash the land there, but not the sea.
Yeah, because of the cultural historicity of the land, like they're harvesting oysters for 10,000 years.
Right, I know. It's bullshit.
But you don't need to add chickens and fucking goats. You go, just stick with your cows, keep your baseline.
Like lemon and citrus, their distinctive odor and taste. And you can actually smell it. You can smell it if you aren't wearing 2 masks like I am. You can smell the distinctive kind of heavy odor of this plant, which is kind of sweet. It's not identical to a lemon or anything like that, but it is distinctive. And this is a plant that is endemic to California, this species, Ptelea crenulata. But there's a more common other species in this genus that's widely distributed kind of throughout the Southwest and South US. And because it has those oils and those secondary metabolites, has been used for medicine in a lot of places. A lot of those terpenes that are used to repel insects and fungi and bacteria can be used by us as an antibiotic to cure certain diseases. But there's such a wide variety of different uses, I won't try and go into specific ones. And when the fruits are present, they're not present on this individual, but they are kind of like little winged seeds. And that's how this plant gets its common name, the California hop tree. So, to sum up, this is Ptelea crenulata in the family Rutaceae. It's the only plant in California with pellucid glands in the leaves that has a compound leaf with 3 leaflets, and the leaves are alternate. The bark, forgot to mention this, but the bark is also kind of reddish, usually reddish purple.